Hello friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Snoopy and Woodstock in a heart, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by drawing in the heart. So coming up towards the center of our page, splitting our paper in half, we're going to round out the top left side of that heart, pulling that down towards the left hand side. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, pulling this all the way around and back down. Let's come across now. So starting back on this line, blending that in, we're going to curve this all the way in on a diagonal towards the center, kind of ending that at midpoint there. Let's do the exact same thing on the right, rounding this out, pulling this over, back through, again, ending that in the center. Now let's add in some details. So coming back in towards the middle on the left-hand side, from the center, we're going to curve this line around and down, and this is actually going to be the top of Snoopy's head. From that point, we're going to curve this line down and in towards the bottom. Now on the right hand side, we're going to round out the top again. So for Snoopy's nose, continuing to curve this around, we're just going to pull this down and in. Let's add in some details now. So coming up in towards the middle, we're going to draw in an oval on a diagonal for the nose. And then moving back in on top, we'll replicate this, making this one smaller for the highlight. Now let's just color that in black. Let's come across for the eyes. So stepping up, we're going to draw in a curved line for that eye on the right. And then coming down on a diagonal, we'll replicate this on the left-hand side. Let's come up on the left-hand side for the eyebrow, drawing in another arch line. And then let's move down for the cheek, another sideways oval. Let's start back on this line. We're going to kind of frame in Woodstock now. So we're going to round this out, curving this over and through towards the top. And then beside this for Snoopy's mouth, we're going to arch that in towards that cheek. Let's draw in a corner bracket, curving that across. Let's round out the rest of Woodstock's head now. So we're starting on this left-hand side, we're going to curve this out, pulling that through on a diagonal, following the shape of the heart on the bottom. Now let's come across, so leaving a small gap, we're going to arch this line up. And then on the top here, we're just going to connect this together. Let's move across again, rounding this out, pulling that through to the top. Again, coming down, curving this down. Let's step across. We're going to leave quite a big gap here, arching this over and across to the side now. And then again, we're just going to pull this down. Now let's come underneath and we're going to curve this line over, connecting that together, extending that slightly past. And then now from here, arching this back through. And now let's connect these two lines. So starting from this point, we're going to follow the shape of the heart on the bottom, rounding this out, pulling this up. Let's draw in Woodstock's arm. So coming out on the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line. Let's round out the finger here, curving that in. In the center, let's draw in another arch line. And then again on the right-hand side. Let's move up right in the middle here, curving this line over. Pull this around, tucking that in, leaving a gap. And then we're going to close off that with a diagonal line. Now let's move in on the top. We're going to round this out, curving that in. And then we'll move up again, closing off the second eye, pulling that in towards the top. And then one last time underneath, we're just going to curve this line back in. And that is it. That's how you draw Snoopy and Woodstock in a heart. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.